Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can whitelist emails in email addresses in your Gmail inbox really quickly. And you can do that without any technical skills whatsoever as a complete beginner. Let us show you how to do that. It is very simple. Head over to your Gmail inbox. And now let's say you would like to give Gmail the command to not send emails from a specific email address to the spam folder in the future anymore, which is basically whitelisting. So this is how you can do it, guys. Start by clicking on that gear icon in the top right of your inbox to access that panel here on the right hand side. And here click on see all settings to access your inbox settings. Here inside your settings, switch from general to filters and blocked addresses. And below, simply create a new filter by clicking on that button. And last but not least, what you want to do, guys, is enter the email address you would like to whitelist here where it says from. So let me head over to my inbox really quickly and go with, let's say, that email address here. So let me copy it really quickly, paste it here into the from box, confirm by clicking on it below. And you may also customize this information if you like, go a bit more in depth and filter by words or subject and so on and so forth. But adding an email address for whitelisting is actually all you will need for this. So last but not least, click on create a filter here to create a filter, and after that Gmail will ask you what you would like to do with emails from the given sender in the future. So you want to click simply on never send it to spam here to give Gmail the command to whitelist emails from that email address and to not send it to the spam folder in the future anymore. Confirm by clicking on create a filter here, and that is going to create a filter as you can see here. So Gmail will not send emails from that email address to spam in the future, and that way whitelist that email address here. And that's how you do it, guys. You may also delete the filter here to the right to cancel or to remove the whitelisting, and that's basically it. That's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.